How y'all doing?
Good. How's it going?
Welcome to Timber Creek.
We'll be back to our visit at Timber Creek Distillery shortly, but first, quick ride through the woods, a little bit of dirt road. 13 miles later, we're at Karick Lake, and then we had to do 13 miles back. And yes, we almost died. But first, this girl.
Hi, people.
She's about to go kayaking for the first time.
It's pretty doggone cool.
It's going to be funny, but first, she has to harass me a little bit.
Here's my crazy friend trying to do something very simple that his wife probably could do easily.
See?
But he's being stubborn and making it more complicated than what it really needs to be.
It was stuck on a nail for the record.
There we go. He did a big boy. Yes, he is. He did a good job.
Payback time. All right, you ready?
I'm gonna die.
If you'd like to see my crazy friend in more videos, let us know in the comments below and hit the like and subscribe button so that you can come back whenever we have new videos.
Oh my God! You're good. Am I turning around? I'm coming back.
Paddle. You got to paddle left and right, and then you'll start moving.
I was moving. I'm done.
Again, please comment below to give her encouragement.
Where do you want me to go? Okay, I'll try. I'll try again. I'll try again. Oh God, bless it.
And right, goob.
Huh?
You want to go straight?
You told me to go left.
Right.
Oh, okay. There we go.
There you go.
He said left. Going to the right. Oh, I'm leaning. I'm leaning.
You're not leaning.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. I'm looking at you.
I'm not leaning.
No, you're not leaning. You're fine.
Don't look.
Woo! I'm going back. Okay.
Yeah, see where mom's standing. Try to-
Is that better?
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
He wants me to die is what he wants me to do. He wants a capture to get freaking flowers. Says, ooh, my friend died on the doggone lake. I put YouTube footage.
Foot and a half of water. I don't think you're gonna die.
No, you're.
Oh, this is only a foot?
Yeah, you can see the bottom.
I can't look down. I don't want to look down. You better get away from me.
I'm not getting you. You don't have
Don't
to.
bump me.
You don't have to lean.
Is he gonna try to hurt me?
No.
I'm going back. I don't trust him. I don't trust
I'm out here to help.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Why?
I trust Melissa. I trust Melissa. I don't want you out here with me.
You're doing good, man.
I'm coming back fast. I'm coming back fast. I'm coming back fast. I don't trust him. I got it. Now, the last time I did this in the canoe tipped over my body. Yeah.
Come on.
Woo.
All right, I'm gonna bring you far.
Okay, now.
Hold on.
This is like a blueberry probably.
With a kick.
Yeah, so a shrub is basically, back in the old days before sodas, that's how they would preserve fruit. They would throw it in vinegar and add some sugar, and then you just add water and ice or soda water, bubbly water, and it would make basically a soda. Back in the late 1800s, early 1900s, they had shrubs and they had Coca-Cola. That was it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And so throw a little vodka in there, it's delicious. So this is blueberry concentrate and vinegar and vodka, and then bubbly water.
That's what I taste.
I can definitely taste the ginger. It burns.
We make our own ginger syrup with fresh pressed ginger.
Oh yeah, that's fresh.
Get 'em. I know. I think I've had all I can handle.
The blueberry, I can drink that all day.
I'm not sure. This was an amazing, unexpected excursion in the middle of nowhere. Feeding this pig when it attacks you. You were gonna die in a kayak or a bike, but you're gonna die by pig.
If you would have had me last time I was here, I was running. doing this with the fish. I'm like, oh my God.
Go ahead, Don. No. It's all you. Don't be trying to give it out. Why do I get the feeling if he really wanted out of this fence, he could...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's missing a clip. Yeah.
That's a lot of bacon. That wasn't much.
There's some back there. There you go. Go find it. Yeah, it's right there in the bush. Can I try a shot of the apple pie?
You can try anything you like.
What's the difference between the Southern Reserve and this?
So our Florida whiskey is a wheat bourbon like a Maker's or a Weller. It's sweet, it's easy to drink. Our Southern Reserve is a rye-heavy 4-grain bourbon, more like your Highland Kentucky bourbon. It's also 100 proof. And we have 100% rye whiskey. The rye grain we use only grows in the state of Florida. It's called Florida 401 Black Rye. It's really unique, very tasty. And we have a single malt, 100% barley. It's like an American version of Scotch or Irish whiskey. No smoke, no peat, just a smooth, easy drinking barley whiskey. And they're all delicious. We have a honeysuckle gin. We have a wheat vodka. We have our touristy vodkas over here. We got our predestined label. We got a 38 label. We got a Pennsylvania label.
That is cute.
That is, and tourists will really, you know.
Yeah, they're suckers.
Don't eat it
for that
up.
stuff.
All right, ladies. Ready? Cheers. Cheers. I like the apple pie.
I love apple pie. That was good. I love it.
Well, I hope you liked our trip to Timber Creek Distillery. It was a lot of fun. They also had fire brick pizza for $20 a pizza, and just so we're clear, the samples were free. That may change in the future, but for now, free. Also, one more time, if you want to see Dawn again in my videos, please let her know in the comments below. I'm going to definitely show her. I've been trying to get her on the videos for a while now, and finally happened. And I feel like she did not disappoint. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.